All right, so I partnered with some force down on the base, and we touch our partner's base. And what we're going to do is feel the soles of the feet and accumulate energy under the feet, and until their base pops, and go back down. Now, you look at how long that took, and you do it a little bit faster, and you keep increasing that speed until you're going down under and you're popping the feet vertically up. So what we're after here isn't length of the issue, but the double in the feet. We want to get that up as much as we can. Once I've got up to this stage where I'm getting that shot underneath, then I visualize sharp knives hitting the kidney 1 point and into the toes. So as that hits, there's a kind of something inside the person's unconscious goes, ah, get my feet away from the ground, as you push that energy up. And it's very electric and lightning-like. But to get there, you have to start off with a touch and then accumulate under the feet, and then slowly use a law of rhythm to get that energy lifting and buffering before you start putting the volts underneath. If you put the volt underneath too soon, it ends up like this mechanical stiffness. But if you get the float, it's sort of like lightning coming out of a cloud. Get the cloud and then put in the lightning, and it just works. And if you don't follow that pattern, it won't be clean. So floating, clouds under the feet, and then put electric lightning through the cloud, and you get the feet popping off the ground. Okay, have a play.